And now let's welcome Ms. Valerie Chien. She is the Regional Sales Manager from thingnario. Today, she will be presenting on how thingnario can help with energy industry innovation.
Hi, I'm Valerie from thingnario. I'm glad to be here and share experiences about how thingnario can help with the energy industry innovation with you. Let's start from the development of the energy industry. For over a century, the energy has been centralized. Before, we only had to consider the electricity purely, its production, transmission, and distribution. As we faced climate change, we started thinking about the possibility to stop generating greenhouse gases that contribute to global warming. And then we have renewable energy. It changes energy from centralized to decentralized. Meanwhile, it has complexed the grid management. With the development of renewable energy, we now have virtual power plant, ancillary services such as automatic frequency control, faster response resource, and demand response to maintain the stability of our electricity grid. Prediction of both clean energy production and demands becomes important too. So let's talk about clean energy, especially solar energy, which is becoming increasingly common and is one of the fastest growing sources of clean energy. From home rooftops to utility-scale farms, solar power is reshaping energy markets around the world. There are a few reasons why it has grown rapidly. To fight climate change, governments have released supporting policies and regulations to promote renewable energy. Meanwhile, the concept of ESG, which refers to environmental, social, governance, has developed in enterprises worldwide. Not to mention the improvement of technologies such as industrial IoT advances, it definitely helps grow solar energy. However, we are facing some challenges when it comes to solar energy. For example, your assets are getting old and losing efficiency. Or solar energy is intermittent. It will cause an impact on grid stability, so somehow it's unstable. With an energy storage system, it can be non-dispatchable. Well, at the end of the day, when we talk about solar energy, we also need to talk about efficiency. How can we improve the efficiency of solar energy and grid efficiency at the same time? To solve this problem, there's thingnario. thingnario is an AI software company from Taiwan. We are a SaaS company providing innovative software solutions with AI, IoT, and cloud infrastructure. Our goal is to mitigate the IT technology gap in the physical industry, and we create software services by combining domain knowledge and IT technology for business innovation. thingnario is also the strategic partner with NVIDIA. As one of our founding partners, Professor Winston Shi is the director of NVIDIA AI Lab, which is the first in Asia. So, thingnario provides the best solution for solar power plants and other renewable energy monitoring systems around the world. Our core technology is our IT skills to organize massive monitoring data and AI technology to transform the data into informative conclusions for you. Let's take a look at our renewable energy O&M monitoring solution, PHOTON. PHOTON is a web-based PV monitoring system. You can easily diagnose with a beautiful power production heat map, or you can do cross comparison between any of your assets and devices. Also, you can simply generate reports with just one click with a report form you desire, and save your time for unnecessary paperwork. Meanwhile, we also have O&M solution. On-site engineers can receive all related information on mobile phones and record working status with fully customized checklist. And supervisors get to assign and organize O&M works neatly in one single platform. PHOTON is highly integrated with our mobile phone that you can manage your assets anytime and anywhere. From central monitoring of multi-plants to detailed monitoring down to string level. PHOTON's friendly user interfaces not only provide you any information you would like to see, but also alerts you automatically with an AI-based smart detecting system. So, AI technology, definitely a game changer in the renewable energy industry. Our PHOTON has amazing AI tools to help you analyze your power plant in every aspect and to discover hidden issues that you may have been missing the whole time and which may not be alerted from the inverter itself. PHOTON is equipped with various AI detecting and diagnosis modules. These modules collect extensive amount of data and analyze power production status in real time and notify you at the first moment. Our AI diagnosis system not only alerts you about production loss, but also tells you possible root cause. It can also detect issues such as insolation, shading, and stalling. And let's take a look at another solution with AI from us, SolarMax. Well, it's common to have unstable PR over 100% due to parameter stalling, which makes the most important benchmark in PV plants useless. Regular maintenance work are required, including cleaning and calibration for physical parameters. Also, most of the time, there's no historical irradiance data. Take Taiwan as an example. Only 30 weather stations have parameters. How can we get historical irradiance reference data for specific locations? Well, thingnario might just have a proper solution for you. SolarMax is a virtual parameter which can provide a reference irradiance from global satellite images and metadata for PV plants. So your PV plants require no physical parameter or further calibrating existing parameters. Moreover, SolarMax is able to trace data back to years ago and for any locations, perfectly for evaluating solar plant performance for your investment. Our centralized PV monitoring solution, PHOTON, was launched at the end of 2017. And after 4 years, it now serves over 2,000 sites with a total install capacity of 1 gigawatts globally. It has made great strides in the global market from East and East-South Asia, Europe to Middle South America. This is one of our iconic commercial projects located at Taipei Metro Station, Beitou Depot, with 4 megawatts capacity. With our PHOTON monitoring solution, not only one can visualize the green energy achievement to gain publicity, but also help an easier plant maintenance without impacting any activities in the depot. We've also launched beautiful dashboards for Beitou Depot to show the solar PV production and detailed data in real time at the lobby for educational purpose. All the content are able to be changed according to the management team requirements. And here, we have one of our solar farm projects, Vena Energy. Well, Vena Energy is one of the largest independent power producers of renewable energy in Asia-Pacific region. And Vena Energy has selected our PHOTON monitoring solution over reasons such as data accuracy with crystal clear assets conditions, tailor-made dashboards for ground-mounted projects to centralize large plant data. All important data can be easily highlighted at a glance. We also provide building circuit diagrams and I/O control monitoring, so the operator is able to know the current electricity flow and status. PHOTON's structure is highly scalable and without latency when it deals with extensive amount of data. And here we have this famous shopping mall in Thailand. It has installed about 1 megawatt rooftop solar panel. Besides our PHOTON monitoring system, it also applied with our automated zero fit-in control feature, which limits inverter production according to a local regulation. PHOTON can monitor power consumption in real time, and with AI technology can predict inverter output by edge computing every 10 seconds, and it can control inverters automatically. This shopping mall in Thailand has successfully optimized PV power with our solution. So, how can thingnario help in the future? Our core technology AI and IT skills can be applied in many energy-related services, such as energy forecast, energy market integration, energy management system, and virtual power plant applications. We've also developed the DERMS, which refers to Distributed Energy Resources Management System in Taiwan. And here, we have 3 takeaways for you. thingnario helps save the environment with the with the power from software and AI technology. And we've strongly involved with innovation and evolution of the renewable energy industry. Last but not the least, thingnario is now looking for value-added partner in Europe, Middle East, and Africa. So that's all for today. Feel free to contact us if you are interested in learning more about thingnario, or you can leave a message on our official website and we will get back to you. That all of us be the part of this change and hope to meet you soon. Again, I'm Valerie from thingnario. Thank you for your attention.
Thanks, Valerie, for giving us this wonderful presentation. We know that it will be invaluable to our audience. And to all of today's participants, we sincerely hope that you have learned a lot from today's topics. Wishing you all a fruitful and engaging webinar. Thank you all for joining us to listen to another series of interesting and informative talks. Don't forget to join us on the 29th of September in the ICT webinars. See you next week.